Greetings, 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 and welcome back to this space where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Again, I want to say thank you to all of the people who have been helping me to get the good news of Jesus out to all I know in the Jamaican language. So today, I want to welcome Reverend ASTOR CARLYLE from Webster Memorial Church. Yes, he's the senior pastor at Webster Memorial Church, and he's going to be reading his favorite or one of his favorite passages from the Jamaican New Testament. So listen up good, and let me tell you, if you like the video, please click the like button and leave a comment so that we can know that you are here and know what you're thinking or what is your response to this reading. And of course, if you know somebody or somebodies who would benefit from this reading, then share it with them, please. And of course, if you're not subscribed yet, now the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell, so that way you will not miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Mark 3, 1-6. One other day, Jesus go back at the Jew them church, and one man with one cripple hand did there. The Pharisee them watch Jesus like one ark, to see if him did go make the man better upon the Sabbath, so them could have something to say against him. So Jesus said to the man with the cripple hand, say, "Turn up in front of everybody." Then him asked the people, "Which one the law say we can do upon the Sabbath? Fi do good or fi do bad? Fi save somebody life or fi cause somebody fi dead?" But nobody never say a word. Jesus looked round upon them, and him did well vex, and it burn him fi see how them hard is. So him said to the man, say, "Stretch out your hand." The man stretch out him hand, and him hand get better. So same time, the Pharisee them left out and go start plan with Herod follower them to kill Jesus.
A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.